Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your S3 bucket lifecycle rules for storage cost, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the S3 service. In the S3 dashboard, locate the bucket you want to update. Click on the bucket name to access its settings. Once in the bucket details, select the Management tab. Under the Management tab, find the Lifecycle Rules section. Click on Create Lifecycle Rule or select an existing rule to edit. If creating a new rule, give your rule a descriptive name. Define the scope of the rule by choosing between all objects or a specific prefix or tag. Set a transition action for objects after a certain number of days. Choose the storage class options like S3 Standard, S3 Intelligent Tiering, or S3 Glacier. Specify the number of days after object creation for the transition. For expiration, select whether to delete objects after a specified period. Enter the number of days after which the objects should expire. Review your lifecycle rule settings for accuracy. Ensure that the rule aligns with your storage cost management goals. Click on Create Rule or Save Changes to apply your updates. Monitor your bucket activities to evaluate the impact of the new lifecycle rules. Adjust the rules as necessary based on changes in your storage usage patterns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.